Hey guys, I just want to do a real quick little recap here of a couple of trades from late last week. I'm going to look at Nvda from Thursday and this SPY trade from Friday. Didn't take an awful lot of trades Thursday, Friday actually. More on Thursday but less on Friday. Two trades I think Friday. 3 trades Friday. One small paper cut red on Facebook and 2 trades on Nvda. Thursday, this is the Nvidia trade from Thursday. So I want to look at these two because, oops, what the heck? Sorry guys, I'll have to pause there. Sorry guys, no idea what happened there. Had a bit of a weird little system crash there. I think it was Chrome decided to crash. Anyway, let's crack on. So yeah, I want to really focus on these lower high setups because I think it's something that you guys really need to be focusing on yourselves. The problem is, I think people become obsessed with trying to second guess the front side of a strong move, and I know from watching what you write in chat and how quickly you're posting your losses or sometimes your gains, but quite often the fact that you've been hurt a little bit. A lot of people are trying to second guess the top of moves, and although we sometimes, we mark up our daily support resistance, sometimes these stocks are very strong and they don't care about previous days highs, previous days open, previous days close. They do their own thing and they push. So it's better off to sit on your hands sometimes. Wait for it to run out of steam. Wait for it to come into a level. Okay, have a look at the level it starts to come into. Identify it. And then wait for it to give you an opportunity. Wait for it to give you a signal that it's ready for you to hit the backside. This requires patience, and also it requires just a little bit of very simple knowledge. Okay, now that's the knowledge that we give you. In the case of Nvidia on Thursday, okay, this was Thursday's candle. Okay, it was strong. The best thing we were looking for with this was we were looking for it to come here into this daily simple moving average 20. That's what I was looking for, and it did. That was here. It slammed straight into the daily moving average 20 on the day, okay, which was there. So it kind of said bollocks to all these levels. It didn't really care about them. There was levels on the daily chart. There was this, there was that. So we had that level there, which was a bit higher, but the daily moving average 20 was really what I was looking for. So let's take this away and let's look at the chart. So it comes up, it pushes. It puts in that first real strong high where it becomes really extended here from the moving average 9. It pulls back. We put in our line, okay, we put in our level line, 143.72. It pushes, okay, it pushes, it breaks, it pushes, it comes back, it holds, it pushes, it comes back, it pushes. Don't get involved in this, guys. Don't try and second guess, and don't try and take these as double tops. Do not get in here thinking this is a double top, I'll short it. This is a double top, I'll short it. You'll know when it's a double top on something like Nvidia because it will be like this. You'll get an hour. For a proper nice double top, you'll get a nice hour between these. These aren't double tops, okay? Just ignore them. They're not double tops. They're retests, okay? There's nothing here to suggest it's going to fail, and if it does, it'll often come back and it'll give you a proper one. Okay, don't get too involved in these at the moment. Look for the nice clean setups. So it pushes into 145.21, which was around the daily 20. Okay, it pulls back. Notice where it pulls back to. Okay, resistance becomes support. Okay, so it pulls back to this level, it holds, it pushes, it puts in a higher low, it pushes. It comes up, it doesn't quite make the 145.21, hasn't got the nuts for it, okay? It rolls over. So we take our short position here, 144.90. Do I have it open is the question. I do have it open somewhere. Oh, I didn't. Anyway, I've posted it in the chart section of the moderator post. You can see my entry there at 144.90 on Trade Zero. Yep, took it 144.90 short. Not a huge position. I'm growing a small account at the moment. Started my account with like $600 odd, about 3-4 weeks ago. I'm building that up nicely, so didn't take a huge position. I took as many as I could realistically take with my buying power, and it worked out well. We got a nice wash down into this area, covered a quarter on this little retrace. It's really important when you're growing a small account as well that you take covers. You know, if you've got a really big account and you want to try and ride, you may think, well, that's okay, I can hold a bit longer. When you're growing a small account, you need to take your money. All right, it gave us, so it's given us 50 cents per share already at this point. So take a few off there, hold it. Nice big wash down. Took a few more off around this area, 143. Okay, took a few more after this wash. Held the VWAP here. Took a few more there. The last position I was going to hold for a while, but we got this higher low. Now I know that Jerry took this higher low here. Quite a few people took it long. I was sure. I didn't flip bias. I simply took it off. Maybe I should have gone with you guys, but by the time I took it off, I didn't feel like it was I wanted to chase, so I left it there. But you can see if I hadn't taken it off, if I hadn't recognized the higher low over the VWAP, and I decided to hold, I would have, oh no, that's yesterday, sorry. Yeah, it made a push back up into this, and notice it closed at this price. The price that it put in as its first real high of day was the exact closing price, as we can see from the daily chart. That was the closing price. So yeah, that was an important level. But yeah, nice push up into there, and I think if anybody held into pre-market, post-market at all, you got a nice pop up there too. So this is really what I'm looking at, really focused on things that have gone extended to the upside, maybe gone parabolic slightly, pulling down, pushing up, giving us the backside, and then taking the lower high or the double top. These are such good quality setups, guys. All right, really good setups. Use your front side levels. Okay, make sure you mark up your front side levels. Don't be surprised if they act as support and resistance throughout the day. Appreciate them, respect them. Okay, keep an eye on them and use it to your advantage. The other one I'm going to quickly look at was the SPY. Let me just pause it while I get this in the right position. Okay, so with the SPY, this one was from Friday. This was an options trade taken using the boss strategy. Again, chart's been posted in the moderator's post page, so you can have a look with some writing on it, etc. With regards to the SPY, it was breaking levels. It was strong again. Very important that you always go to your daily. I identified this level here at 271.22. Simply go into the daily. Okay, it was over yesterday's levels, so I went to the daily. What's the next resistance? This candle here, high of day. Okay, you can see there, high 271.22. Attach my level line to the top of that candle. Keep watching the intraday. There's the level line, 271.22. SPY pushes up, rejects 271.22. I did say in chat, keep an eye on that particular level for a rejection. Again, the front side, very hard to play unless you manage to get something in here. This isn't really my wheelhouse, playing this front side. I like to wait for it to tire. I like for it to wait for it to give me my signal. I like to play the backside on stuff like this. It wasn't clean enough for me. There was nothing nice and clean about it. So waited for that. It rejected. It came down. It pushed back up. It gave a lower high. Again, lower high setup, nice and easy to spot. Take it short. 20 puts short here. Again, my entries posted in the moderator posts page, and yeah, just start to peel off. You know, start to peel off. It breaks down through the 50, peel some off here around the VWAP, peel some off into this wash, peel a few off here into the push, hold the last few to the VWAP. We goes over the VWAP, take off the last few. This down here was a 200% trade. Okay, this was obviously gave it a little bit back here, but it was 138% on the entire trade overall, roughly. Again, it's just simplicity, guys. It's using what we've got to the best of our advantage. Sitting on your hands, don't get too involved in the chop in the front side. Wait for the back side, wait for the lower high, the double top. Take a trade. Very annoyed that I missed this one here. Lost focus, was kind of busy doing stuff with people in the room. Lost a bit of focus here. came into the 271, rejected. This in itself is another lower high, just a bigger lower high, pushed back up, rejected. Really should have taken this short here with another, you know, even if it was just 15 or 20 puts, whatever. Look at the wash, you know, so I'm cooking myself in that one. I'm gonna, you know, I'm gonna take what I've learned from this into next week, to make sure that I stay focused. I stay really focused on looking for these things, because can't be missing stuff like this. I know quite a few took it. I think Pat took it there too, so you know, great job for that. That would have been probably, I don't know, probably been a 300-400% trade. So yeah, a bit of a shame, but these are the things we need to watch for. Okay, the subtleties, the nice lower high here, and then the big grand lower high coming into something like a whole number. Take it. We know our risk levels. That's it really. I was really pleased with those two trades, and again for me going forward, focusing on these nice basic simple setups on the, you know, just a small basket of stocks that we watch, looking mainly for double bottoms, double tops, lower highs, higher lows, keeping everything nice and simple, using daily levels, marking up intraday levels, and using those to the best of our advantage. That's it really, a nice quick short one. Just want to take this opportunity to welcome Jerry, aka Draftmaster, onto the team. Great to have Jerry as a moderator with us. He's absolutely ripping it up with Nvda, and I have to say, just trading with Jerry this week, I feel I've grown myself a little bit as a trader too. Definitely starting to see things with Nvda that I wasn't seeing before. So yeah, wonderful to have Jerry on the team. He's a great addition, and yeah, looking forward to trading with him over the coming months and years, hopefully. So yeah, good lad Jerry, welcome to the team, buddy. That's it guys, I've got to go, got a few things to do, so I will see you in the chat room. Catch you later, bye.